Hello. So today's video is about there is and there are. So very quickly and very simply, we use there is to talk about one thing. So here we can see there is a river in Sligo. There is. Sorry, so again, there is a river in Sligo. Here. There are two Lidls. 1, 2. So because we have two, we have to use there are. There is a river. There are two Lidls. So that's it's not very complicated, is it? Let's look at some questions. To make the questions, we have to use is there or are there. So, for example, train station. Is there a train station? Remember, if we have one thing, we have to use a. Don't forget the a. Is there a train station? Make a question about shops. Is there or are there? Shops is two, it's plural. So we have to say, are there shops? Or are there any shops? So again, remember, if we have one thing, it's a. Is there a train station? If we have a question for many things, we use any. Are there any shops? So let's do some practice. Make a question about Sligo and airport. So do we use is there or are there? There's one thing here. Is there an airport? Here we use an because it's before a vowel, before a. Is there an airport? Ask about gyms. What's the question? Are there, because it's plural, any gyms? And remember, any for the question for more than one. Are there any gyms? So the answers, we're going to practice the question and the answer now. So let's go back to our question. Is there an airport? Is there an airport in Sligo? And the answer is no, there isn't. So remember, we can have yes, there is, or no, there isn't. Is there an airport in Sligo? No, there isn't. Are there any gyms? So in Sligo there are 2 or 3 gyms, maybe 4 or 5. I'm not sure. So are there any gyms? Yes, there are. Yes, there are. So the answers are, we have 4 possible answers. Yes, there is. No, there isn't. Yes, there are. No, there aren't. So let's practice questions and answers. Let's look at this picture here. Let's make a question with guitars. Because it's plural, we use are there any guitars? And the answer is yes, there are. Yes, remember it's plural, we use are. For one thing, we use is. So let's make a question with piano. Piano is one thing, so is there a piano? What's the answer? We can look at the picture there. Yes, there is. Exactly. So let's get a question about dogs. Dogs is plural, more than one. So we say, are there? Are there any dogs? Yes. Sorry. No, in this picture, no. There aren't. And the same for cats. Cats is more than one. Are there any cats? No. There. Finish it. No, there aren't. So let's use another picture. I'm going to ask a question and then make the answer. So this is a different picture. We have to make a question with cats. Let's make the picture a little smaller. So make a question with cats. Is it one thing or many things? It's many things. So which question do we use? Are there any cats? Exactly. Of course, the answer is yes, there are. That's all. Good. So let's make a question with dogs. Again, it's the same question. Are there any? We have plural. This time, though, if you look closely, you can see there's only cats in the picture and no dogs. So, no, there aren't. So the next question is a table. Now, is the table singular or plural? Is it one or many? A table is one. So we can't use are there. We have to use is there. Is there a table? And if you look closely, you will see no. No, there isn't. There's no table in the picture. We leave piano for now. Let's do another picture, just for some more practice. So this time, we're going to make a question about dogs in this picture. Again, let's move it down. Are there any dogs? We can see from the picture, 1, 2, 3. Yes, there are. How about cats? What's the question? It's the same question again. Are there any cats? Yes, there are. Okay, different one here. Elephants. So it's still more than one. So we have to make the same question. Are there any elephants? The answer is different here. Are there any elephants in this picture? No. So let's make a negative answer. No, there. What's the negative answer? Yes, there are. No, there aren't. Exactly. Okay, so I think we've done enough. We've done enough practice. Questions are, is there or are there? We have it here. Is there an airport? Are there any gyms? Is there for one? Are there for many? And the answer is yes, there is. No, there isn't. Yes, there are. No, there aren't. Thanks for watching.